Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I am Amrutha Sankar. If you are new to my channel, check down the description box below to find the previous videos links. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today we are going to see a step which we have already seen before, that is Diditai. If you guys remember, if you don't, no problem. I'll put the link over here as well as in the description box below. Go check it and come back so that you can understand it better. So today we are going to do Diditai in a circular format. So let's see. So for the legs part, as usual, we put our legs in V shape, then in bending V shape. And we go as dip, time, 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 dip, time. We do it in a circle. Now we'll see the hands part. Now as you have seen the legs part, we'll go with the hands part. We put it in Katakamukha Hasta. Same way we did for the Diditai step. Hasta changes from Katakamukha Hasta towards the Padma Kosha and come back to the Katakamukha Hasta. Always remember our shoulders and elbows should always be in straight line and the hands should be taken forward in the straight line only. Not towards the down, not towards up. Straight towards, from our chest, a straight line, then back to our chest, then same with the other hand also. So that is the hands. And for the whole step, dip, time, 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 dip, time. We went in a circular motion. So hope you guys understood today's step, which is very easy, and if you haven't watched the clear version of how to do Diditai, I'll put the link over here in the iCard as well as in the description box below. Please do check it out. And do practice at home, and we'll see you on next Sunday. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell to get notified when I'll be uploading a video. Guys, I have another channel called as Amrutha Sankar, for which I'll leave the link in the description box below. Please just check it out as well.